Let's take a look at this app. It's called Epic Studios. So this is the app where you can just watch shorts and try to earn revenue, share your content, get rewards. Kind of alternative to TikTok or Instagram. There are a lot of alternatives in this niche right now. So yeah, you can just try it out. So just open it up and then you can see some of the
Do you guys
like content in here. So you can then just see it like that. So yeah, just try it out. There is wallet, there is verification, there is merge, there is like analytics, gifter badge, rewards. There is also live feed, which you can see in here. And it's kind of, that's the idea. And then yeah, you see your profile. You can type your post, go live, and then just try to earn some rewards if you really try to seriously post on this app. And then you can earn some likes and diamonds, and you can even withdraw them if you reach specific amount in here. So as you can see, that's kind of the idea of what you can earn. 20,000 diamonds or 20,000 likes in here. So that's the app.